In this video, I will teach you how to create a photo with a resolution of 4 gigapixels with a mobile phone or computer and only using a website. After completing the steps of this tutorial, you will get a square image with a width and length of 65,000 pixels. This means that the number of pixels in this image is exactly equal to 4,225,000,000 pixels. Stay tuned with WinTrickBot. Note, if you are the first to post a comment, we will pin your comment. Like and subscribe, my friend. Note, because all the steps are online and no software needs to be installed, you can do this method on mobile and computer and you do not need to worry about the hardware power of your device. After creating the photo, if you try to run it, your mobile phone will hang or you will encounter an error, and to solve this problem, you must use a very powerful device. Well, first prepare a photo that you want to increase its resolution. Please note that your photo is square. Note, in this tutorial we use the website www.online-convert.com. But if you normally use this site to make such a photo, you will encounter an error. To solve this problem, the image you give to convert the site must be a vector in SVG format. Here we used the site itself to convert the PNG to the channel logo, which was 500 by 500 pixels. Finally, we gave the SVG file to the site to turn it into a 65,000 square pixel image. Note, if you do not follow this tutorial and choose to convert to JPG, for example, the processing step will be done in a funny way. If you do the conversion for PNG, it will take less time than converting to JPG. We managed to create a 4 gigapixel image. I put the download link of this photo in the description of this video to download it and test whether it runs on your computer or not. Like and subscribe, my friend.